How to upload files to a shared Google Drive link using your phone. This tutorial shows you how to add content when someone has shared a folder link with you. First, open the link you received in your browser or the Drive app directly. From there, if it opens in the browser, tap Open in Drive app if prompted, or continue in the browser if you'd rather not switch. After that, once you're inside the shared folder, check that you actually have edit access rather than just view access, since upload permissions depend on what the owner granted you. At this point, if you have the right access, tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Following this, tap Upload. From here, select the files, photos, or whatever you'd like to add to the folder. At this stage, tap Upload again to confirm. Give it a moment while everything finishes uploading into the shared folder. Following this, if the upload option doesn't appear or is grayed out, that means you only have viewing access, so you'd need to ask the folder owner to change your permission to editor first. Once uploaded successfully, anyone else with access to that shared folder will be able to see and open the files you just added. That's how you upload files to a shared Google Drive link using your phone. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!